YouTube, when I saw this come in the mail, I was like, what the hell kind of box is this? And why did it take so long? Man, these shipments from overseas take a while. I don't know, the fuel prices are out of hand, man. But look at what we got here. That took me so long to get. I ordered this like in 3 months ago. I completely forgot about it. Or when I first got the bike. I think the day I got the bike, I had ordered this. And so now I'm getting it. You can obviously tell what this is. Supposedly it's supposed to make it look better than what's on it now. I don't know. Let's see. Come on, man. It's taking too long. Let's get to the good stuff. Oh, okay. It's not that bad. And it has that double bubble. This part, this is what I really, really need. You know, that little hump to get the air up off my mouth, so I can have some better audio when I'm writing. And the smoke tint is nice compared to the clear. I mean, some people like the clear more, but I like the smoke tint. So this is gonna look better on the bike in comparison to this. It's really, really close to white though, or clear, but this looks nice. Yeah, so let's swap out the windscreens. This is so simple. I'm not gonna record me taking these off, but it's basically 3 on this side, 3 on this side. Transfer the grommets over to the new one, and then just put the screws back and you're done. What I really want to record is me taking that guy out. I really want to record taking that out and the one that's in the exhaust. But that's going to be for another day. Right now, let's take this off. What you need is you need an 8mm to take these off, all 6, and then you just transfer it over and use that same 8mm to put them all back. So let me grab that real quick. I'll take the windscreen off and then I'll show you that I transfer the grommets over to the new one, and then that should be the video. All right, once you get to this part, all you're gonna do, grab here, you're gonna pull out. That's it. These are the rubber grommets I was referring to that you're gonna transfer over to the new one. To take these guys off, oh Lord. What I do is I pinch and push at the same time. So you see how it's just popping through? That's it. So you pinch down. Let me see if I can get a good angle. Pinch down, and at the same time you're pulling down on the other side, and it should pop right through. And then let's transfer them over to this new one and then install it. See you guys in a sec. This camera is not giving it justice. It looks clear, but it's tinted. Nevertheless, that higher bump with the air, I can get low. That wind is gonna go right over my helmet. It's gonna get real quiet, which if you ask me, that's what I really want. So yeah, man. So now we have the windscreen installed. Yeah, bro. But the bike is looking nice. I did want to get some aftermarket mirrors because these mirrors look wonky. I want something more streamlined. Kind of go with the flow of the winglets. But yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching this real quick video. Nothing long, nothing too complicated. All we really did was just take off 6 hex heads and put 6 hex heads back. And that's it. So thank you guys for watching this real quick video, and I hope that you have a wonderful, awesome, wonderful day.